Welcome to the HardReset channel. Today I'll show you how to toggle vibration for calls on the AGM H6. So first open settings, then scroll down from the top and scroll down again and press the settings button here. In settings, look for sound and vibration, and first make sure that ring and notification volume isn't at 0, this bar here, because if it's silent you cannot actually enable call vibration. Then scroll down and click on vibration haptics, and here you can see a ring vibration. By default it's enabled. You can disable or enable it back from here. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HardReset channel for more videos, leave a like with a comment. Goodbye.